Bye.
Hey guys,
Welcome to my YouTube channel.
You should stop. So hey guys.
hey guys.
So, you
Stop.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Excuse my face, I just woke up and I was like, I need to start this vlog. I don't know, when I watch a lot of YouTubers, I will be under so much pressure. I just don't know. But yeah, I finally lose my hair. I lose my hair yesterday. Talking of yesterday, let's take a pause. So hey guys, I'm about to take this clothes to the tailor that I got from Xoxo. I think I have to shorten it. It's giving me young mother vibe, which I really don't want. So I have to reduce the length. Then the slit is too long. It's showing, like, it's literally showing my bum. So I have to
Days go by,
so
but it feels like night.
the waist has to be snatched.
Lay
Then
down,
let's just start going. Let's go.
days go by, but it feels like night. When I lay down.
This is my trouser. So yeah, I should be going back to school when give and take tomorrow, hopefully. So I'm just trying to arrange things. I have my nails to make, which I'm not even sure if I'm going to, because I'm so lazy to go to the place they're making those nails. I have a lot of things to do for you, but we are going to go through all of them and you're going to see the whole process, because I don't want to talk too much here. So let's go. First of all, tell me why this phone is so bright. Or is it just my eye? I don't even know.
Days go
But yeah.
by, but it feels like night. When I lay down, I feel days go by, but it feels like night. When I lay down, I feel
Yeah, baby. I don't want you in her face. You want to kill us? Tell my subscribers why you are wanting
days go by and I feel alright.
See the cute guy that don't like my.
Just the ones who got
This one is very dramatic. No, this is okay for. Oh,
Days go by, but it feels like night. When I lay down,
picture section. And the pictures are so
days go by, but it feels like night. When I lay down, I feel
yes, now speaking. Oh,
Mother, picking, grandmother.
yeah, you're high. Yes, I'm with my own. So we're going for.
days go by, and I feel alright.
So give me the. Alright.
Alright, Toto. Ava.
Ow! See now, this is Cameroon pepper, okay? I'm so happy. What is
Days go by, but it feels like night. When I lay down, I feel right. And days go by, but it feels like
It's so dirty.
lay
This is the bag I got back with. I just came back with this bag and the one on. This is 12:11. Yeah, or 12:12. It's a blessed life. I have been on this process of decluttering for the longest of time because I have tried so much to figure out myself, to really find value for myself too, like a whole lot of things. So I was like, you know what, I need to declutter every damn thing. I'm keeping only the things that are essential because I had a lot of things going on, like things I needed, things I don't need. But right now, nothing left, just the very essential things left in this room for it.
days go by, but it feels like
Hey guys, I want to film this night, but I'm shy. A lot of people are in my room.